Our biturong are also known as the air cat. See that long bushy tail? It helps him balance on that vine. That tail is prehensile that he can hang from it just like that. Wow, and as for his reward, he'll have some of his favorite fruits like papaya. Okay. Aircats have a lot to say. They chuckle when they're happy. They have a high pitched wail when they're annoyed. They howl, grunt, and hiss. And they use that butter popcorn smell to mark their territory. They also have a very unusual hind feet that they can rotate them backwards. Okay. Alright. And they can rotate them backwards so they can walk straight down a tree at first, just like that. Wow. And that makes that easy, right guys?